guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just joining us, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a very simple way to tighten up large and open pores. Now, large pores, does not make the skin flawless, because even if you don't apply makeup, your face is looking rough with some large pores here and there, it will eventually make your skin oily and prone to acne. Alright, so if you want to know what my treatment for large and open pores is going to be, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, that's if you do love my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. And also, if you want to buy some of the natural beauty ingredients that I use on my videos, you can see all of that on my website. Alright, the link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Also, check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright, so without further ado or say, let's get into this video. The first ingredient, we'll be needing tomato. Tomato juice works as an excellent astringent because it helps to close large and open pores. It shrinks the size of follicles on the skin. It smooths the skin, fights acne, and it contains an astringent property which is very beneficial for the skin. Rubbing tomato juice on the skin will even out the skin and revive dry, dull, and pigmented skin. For the tomato, we're going to be blending the tomato, because in this we're going to be needing the paste of the tomato. Now, to make sure that we're in the right measurements, I will be needing 2 tablespoons of this tomato paste. And that will be perfect. The next ingredient, yogurt. Yogurt naturally is very perfect in treating wrinkles, and it also helps to stretch out fine lines on the skin because it contains anti-aging property, and it also contains lactic acid, which helps to dissolve the dead skin cells of the skin, and is excellent in tightening up the sagging skin, loose skin, and it closes up large and open pores. I'll be taking in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And the next ingredient, egg. In this treatment, we're going to be needing the whites of the egg. Egg white is perfect in tightening large pores because of the presence of astringent property, and it also shrinks a sagging skin. It's perfect in smoothing out the skin, and it contains a lightening agent that lightens up the skin. It's perfect to remove dead skin cells. Since we're needing just the whites of the egg, I'll be breaking in the egg into a separate bowl. Then I'll be scooping in just 1 tablespoon of just the whites. Now we'll make sure to stir and mix the ingredients all together to give us a fine paste and with a considerable consistency. And this is perfect to shrink a large and open pores. Now, to demonstrate this, on the T-zone, you're going to be taking this treatment and you're going to be applying it generously onto your T-zone. Alright, now before you start applying this treatment, you make sure to refrigerate this treatment so it can be very chill. All right, because I refrigerate any treatment I would apply on my face, especially when it is a natural ingredient. Now that way it will enable the treatment, sit into your pores very well, perform its work. If it's to shrink the pores, it helps to shrink the pores, because we need eyes also onto the skin. Now if you can't put this treatment into the refrigerator, you can apply it that way, and after you've done that, then you can apply eyes, all right, onto your skin. Now after you've applied this treatment onto your face, especially at the T-zone, which is the forehead down to your nose and down to your cheek, then you can leave it to completely dry up. You will notice that it's going to it's going to tighten up your face and tighten up your pores very well. All right, by so doing, repeat this treatment 3 times in a week, and you're going to be seeing less of pores on your skin, and this is just going to be very perfect. It is 100% natural. It's not going to have no side effects. So after you hold it to dry, then you can wash it off with cool water. Then you can follow suit with applying eyes onto your face, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so I decided to apply that on my hand so you guys can see that it is healthy. Now you can apply that on the T-zone. This is the T-zone area I was talking about, to this place also, the T-zone here, the forehead, and also to the nose. And those parts are the parts that produces oil, or that the pores tend to get large more than every other part. All right, so apply that on that part and you are going to be having a great result. All right, that is just going to help to shrink the pores, and it's going to be perfect. So if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. So ask me all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and also check out for natural beauty ingredients on my website. All right, so you can scroll down to whichever one you want to buy, and perfect. All right, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful, and check out my vlog channel too. There are beautiful videos there, pranks, review, and all other daily lifestyle. Yeah, bye guys.